Okay, so with this, IM008 is over. Next is 5406. Let's begin this, guys. Okay, so we are on the page. Parents, children, spouse, siblings. Okay, so this is again this Stacy. Okay, now one thing. Enter all names in English and in your native language, whatever it is. If a section does not apply, write not applicable. Okay, so I'm gonna select edit. Section A, only 3 sections. Full name, country, India. Matter status, she is married. Email, whatever is your email, provide that. I'm just putting sample. Don't do like this. Provide address. Of course, you know your address, right? Relationship, spouse, common things. So her spouse name is Charles. And this name needs to be provided in native language too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Google. I'm gonna use whatever your language is. I'm gonna say I can just select and copy. Okay, and here I can go. Perfect. Date of birth. Let's say John was born in, I'm sorry, country or territory of birth. John is married to her. John's email, whatever it is. John's address, of course, she knows her. Now, parent, let's say mother or father, let's say her mother's name is Brianna Smith, okay? Brianna Smith. So again, copy it, put it in Google, and gets it in the version. I mean, whatever language it is. Brianna Smith. Oh, what happened? Be careful with this mistake, guys. No mistake. Yeah. Date of birth, let's say it's 1978. Country or territory of birth, India. Okay. Let's proceed. What more we have for her? Marital status, of course, is let's say his mom is also married, and mom's email, whatever it is, just put it. Provide address, of course, you know that. Parent too. Let's say parent. Let's say our parent name is Peter Smith. Again, we'll do the same. We'll get the parent name in. We'll get the name in Hindi. Okay. So we are going to put this in Google again and get the information. So I copy it, come here, written, select, copy. Let's say her dad was born in 1976. Country, again, India. Marital status, married. Email, whatever the email is. That information. Address below, if deceased, give city, town, country. Okay, provide the address, of course. You have that. Most of the case, it's gonna be the same, at least for parents. Children. If section not applies, write not applicable. Yes, so I'm gonna do that. Applicable. Siblings. So if you have siblings, provide their information. Okay. If you even including half and step sibling, if a section does not apply, put not applicable. So I'm just putting not applicable. Let's say she is the only daughter, but if not, just provide the information. Okay. Almost there. It's